Today, I'm on Dorchester Road, showcasing this generously proportioned end-of-terrace home, complete with a low-maintenance private rear garden and situated within a popular residential area. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So, if you're interested in arranging a viewing on this lovely home, or maybe evaluation on your own property, then please do get in touch.